In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use merge fields in email templates and set up an email template in Salesforce. Setting up these templates is a great way to automate personal touches, so every message feels custom tailored to the recipient without requiring manual input each time. Let's dive into the steps to make this process seamless for you. First, you'll need to log into your Salesforce account. This is your gateway to accessing all the tools Salesforce offers, including the setup area where you will create and manage email templates. Once you're logged in, look for the gear icon located in the top right corner of your Salesforce dashboard. Clicking this icon will open the setup menu. Next, you're going to use the quick find box. This is your friend for navigating Salesforce services efficiently. Type email templates into the quick find box and press enter. Click on the email templates option that appears in the search results. You will want to start a new template, so go ahead and click on new template. This will bring up a variety of template types you can create. Now, you need to decide what type of template best suits your needs. You have options such as text, HTML, custom, and lightning templates. Consider the purpose of your emails. Whether you need plain text for simplicity or HTML for a more formatted approach, choose the one that aligns with your needs. After you've selected your template type, it's time to flesh out the details. Enter a name for your template along with the email subject and body. Be sure to provide enough context in these fields so that everything is clear and direct, both to you when revisiting the template and to your recipients. Here's where it gets a bit more interactive. You want these emails to feel personalized, right? That's where merge fields come into play. To insert a merge field, click on Insert Merge Field. A list of objects, such as contact or account, will appear. Select the relevant object. Let's say you want to address the email directly to the recipient using their first name. You would pick something like Contact First Name. By doing this, each email sent using this template will automatically plug in the recipient's first name, making the communication more engaging. After you've filled out all necessary fields and completed your custom merge field setup, don't forget the crucial step of saving your template. Look for the Save button, give it a click, and your template is ready to use. Now, just like that, you've set up an email template in Salesforce that can autofill personalized details such as names or case numbers each time it's used. This automation not only saves time but adds a personal touch to your communications, helping to improve the overall recipient experience. I hope this guide has been helpful and you're now ready to enhance your Salesforce email interactions with ease.